For this video, I'm going to take a look at the Oaks by the Bay Park located in St. Andrews, Florida. If you've never been to Panama City Beach before, there's a great little suburban area to the east known as St. Andrews, and that's where I found today's hidden gem. Oaks by the Bay Park is a 5-acre city park located right on St. Andrews Bay. They've got a lot of great things to do here. One of the things that I kind of botched was there's a 4-headed palm tree that's at the park, and I forgot to film it, so I kind of dropped the ball while I was here. But I'm planning to come back to the park, and I'll try to film that palm tree the next time I come. This is a pretty typical passive park, although there's a lot of nice touches, like the boardwalk area is impressive. This park is probably a must-do for bird watchers. There's so many great vantage points to look at the various birds that congregate in this vicinity. And not only that, but this is the first time I went to a park that actually had signage up with pictures of the different birds that are frequently in the area. So really well thought out and planned park, and definitely one of the nicer city parks that I've been to in quite a while. They even built designated observation decks for bird watching, and I guess also to see the various boats and sailboats that come into the bay. I also saw a couple people who brought yoga mats and did their stretches here at the park, so it's a very peaceful, tranquil location, and there's a lot of opportunities for different activities, whether you're into bird watching or boat watching or exercise. They've got a gazebo for entertainment. I think you can even rent that gazebo, so if you want to do a picnic here at the park, that's an option as well. The name Oaks by the Bay obviously is referring to the giant oak trees that line the park, and there's this huge, absolutely huge tree basically dead center of the park, and that particular tree is like over 200 years old. It dates back to basically right around the time of the Civil War. So what's my bottom line for the Oaks by the Bay Park? I think it really comes down to whether you're a bird watcher or not. If you are really into bird watching, this is a must-do type of park and would be worth a long drive. Otherwise, it's probably something to see when you're just passing through town. I had an amazing time at this park despite the inclement weather. It was kind of raining off and on while I was here, you can tell by the video footage, but it's just a beautiful place to be. And just looking at the St. Andrews Bay is just incredible. I had an amazing time walking on the beach. And a lot of bayfront parks, they don't let you walk on the beach, but they had stairs that basically invited you to basically walk through the sand and just experience the bay, firsthand. Just absolutely love this park and can't recommend it enough if you're in the area. Those are all my thoughts on this respective park. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to play a little music to finish it up. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Schmuck. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.